What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trizzy Trades. Thank y'all for walking this journey with me through these markets, and that walk is about to become real rough. Well, maybe. I made a video a couple months ago saying that the market needs a nap. Well, I think the time has come for this market to start napping. I don't necessarily mean the market's about to go night-night. Probably more like a power nap, or even like that nap you take when the movie is boring. One of those kind of naps. Maybe. I don't know. I wanted to give you a quick portfolio update, and right now, my portfolio is looking like some garbage. I'm down in almost everything, but I expected this. Fed Chair Jerome Powell had to tell us over and over again since last year that interest rates are going to be higher for longer, but the market kept ignoring him and it kept on climbing up. After 3 consecutive months of hot inflation readings, Powell had to pop that balloon once again and let us know that they are not cutting rates anytime soon. Then the market just rolled over and went to sleep, but I'm not tripping because all my option plays have at least until September to do something. So this is sit on your hands time. In fact, it's probably average downtime. I've already started adding more contracts and I'm just looking for what else I'm going to add to. This is an important time to not panic and let the market do what the market does. You don't lose money if you don't sell, and right now there's nothing I want to sell. My Procter & Gamble trade is killing me right now. Well, it was killing me, down almost 50%, but it just bounced off support and a retest of the pennant that it just broke out of. It may go sideways for a while, who knows? But the idea is to get back up to 170 so I can make a profit. Bristol Myers, I just added 1 contract to it. So now I have an even set of contracts. Actually, that's kind of what I want because once I get to 100% profit, I usually like to take off half and I like to let the other half run. A little bit more balance for me. Pfizer is an option that I'm just letting run the entire year just to see what happens. I don't really have much reasoning behind it. I just think price has been taking a hit for so long and eventually it'll be time to rebound this year, hopefully, but I could be wrong. And if I am wrong, it's okay. Google is my only shining light right now. I sold 1 contract at 100% profit and I'm just letting the other 2 do what it does. I still have until September expiration on those contracts, so I have a lot of time. For what it's worth, Google has actually been leading the pack of the Mag 7 with a return of over 6.5%, while you saw the bulk of the Mag 7 already in correction mode. T-Mobile, I'm definitely maybe gonna add on to that option. The support level has been holding strong and stopping that Head and Shoulders from completing. Earnings is on April 25th, so as long as we get no surprises, that support level might hold. But then again, I could be wrong about that. If it does break, I have until January for it to recover. To be honest with you, I might even put on more contracts after that, if that does happen. Apple has just broken below its weekly support level to hit its year-to-date low of 164.97. That means I should sell, right? Absolutely not. For 3 reasons. Reason number 1, I haven't gotten to my negative 50% threshold yet. Razón número 2, Apple is still technically bullish, and there's still a lot of support it has to go through before we can think bearish. And the third reason is Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference in June, where they are set to announce some special things going on in the business, particularly about their moves in AI. Haven't y'all noticed that Apple's been pretty quiet in terms of AI? Apparently, they'll let us know at this conference what they got cooking. Apple never does anything first, but they always do it the best. Now, I'm cautious about adding on to this trade because it just has been reported that iPhone sales are down 10% for the first quarter, and Samsung has just reclaimed the top spot in smartphones. Also, the resurgence of Huawei is taking market share. Apple reports earnings on May 2nd, and with the significant drop in iPhone sales, which is their big money maker, it might not be too good, so we'll see. I just added another contract of Pinduoduo. This is my only trade on a Chinese stock. Chinese stocks have been getting railroaded for quite some time now, but now the Chinese government is intentionally trying to prop up its stock market. And a company like Pinduoduo, that by the way, is rocking a PE below 20, is showing significant growth. On the chart, it's just retesting the top of the flag it just broke out of. My best bet is by January, I can make some profit off this trade. And then we have Uber. I still have confidence in this trade, even though it's breaking below the flag that I drew on. I expected this correction, so I'm prepared to buy another contract or even 2 at a lower price. Of course, I have other trades on, but I mainly wanted to talk about my current biggest losers and some others that I have thoughts on right now. But we have have to understand is that these corrections are opportunities to buy and hold or even trade. It's just going to require some patience and risk tolerance. You have to be able to look at a trade be down 60, even 70% and not even flinch. If you can do that, eventually you're going to be in good shape. I know I will be again. If you like the content, please make sure you hit that like button, comment if you want, subscribe if you will. I'll see you later.